Hi guys, it's Natalie Crochets and welcome back to another video. I hope that you guys are doing super good. I'm doing pretty good today. So I have yet another yarn swap for you guys, which is pretty exciting. These are my first ever yarn swaps I've ever done. I just filmed another one. I don't know when they'll be posted in regards to each other, but this is the second yarn swap I've ever done in my life. So I'm really excited about it and I hope that you guys are too. This one I did not take a little bit of a peek at before opening it, so it's gonna be a complete surprise here on camera because it just came in today. So I haven't even told I didn't even tell Adeline that it came yet, but here it is. Well, with that being said, just beware, my hair is currently drying, so it looks a little stringy, but it's wet. So let's get to unboxing, shall we? All right. Look at my pretty scissors. I've had these since like high school and I literally love them so much. Hopefully I don't ever lose them because every time I like love something specifically like weird, like a pair of scissors, I lose them. Anyway, taking off that. I also want to be really careful because I don't want to cut any of the yarn. Sorry guys. Trying my best here, you know? There's a lot of tape, which is definitely the right thing to do, so it's all good. I should not be cutting towards myself though. Ooh, I see some fun things. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ah. Okay, hang on, let me get it open for you guys. Okay guys, I've got it open. I'm so excited. Some of these yarns I've actually never seen before. So, the Cupcake Lion brand I have never used, which is really exciting that I have it in my possession now. All right, so the first thing in the box is the Lion brand Cupcake, and this is like in the most rainbow-esque color possible. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, it is 150 grams, 590 yards. Wow, that's a lot. It reminds me of like a mandala cake. Oh, this is in the color Jelly Bean. Oh my god, how cute. I love this. This is so cute. Thank you so much. Okay, the next ball of yarn is this one, and I really like this one. This one is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So it's kind of funny because it has like that random green in there, but I think it goes kind of. It's so pretty though. Okay, I love this part. Like, that is a full beach, like beach vibes central. I love it. Gorgeous. And this is again 590 yards and 150 grams. It's in the color Moody Blue. Gorgeous. Thank you. I love it. Okay, and then the next thing is the Parfait Chunky, which I kind of maneuvered itself a little bit, but yeah, it's the Parfait Chunky, 131 yards and 100 grams, in the color Light Blue. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is awesome. Like, I have been super into like velvet yarns, and this kind of reminds me of like a velvet crossover with a baby blanket yarn. I only have ever used one Parfait Chunky before, but it wasn't this soft. This is so soft. I love this. Okay, so the next one is this. Oh my gosh. This is like seriously like super heavy. Why is this so heavy? Oh my love this. Super Saver Ombre. Oh, gorgeous colors. Oh my gosh. Anthrite. I think it's like I think that might be like a rock or something. But oh my gosh, it's so heavy. I don't know why. Usually I don't think the Red Heart, I didn't think the Red Heart Super Savers were this heavy. I want to see if maybe it like, it's 100% acrylic, of course. Where's the yardage? Oh, 482 yards. Is it usually that much? It's so heavy. Thank you so much. I love this colorway. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is amazing. Okay, and then the last thing in here, but before I take this out, even though I already felt it and it's super soft, she gave me a card and she said, Natalie, thanks for swapping with me, Adeline. Which is so sweet. And I'm so mad at myself. I don't know if it's still here. Hang on. Okay, I literally cannot find it right now, but I swear to God, I packaged the whole yarn swap and got everything ready. And I forgot to put the letter in and I couldn't put it in anymore. So Adeline, you had a little note too, I promise you did. And it was on a cute little doggy card. It was a thank you doggy card and it was really adorable, but I didn't want to reopen all the packaging that I did, and I was gonna send you a picture of it, but I never did. I'm gonna look around for it. I know I didn't throw it away, so it's around here somewhere. But anyway, thank you so much for doing this yarn swap with me. And I'm gonna show you guys the very last yarn that she got me. This is the Soft Baby Steps Red Heart, which I've never heard of. But it feels just like the Red Heart like soft yarn. It's 256 yards and it's in the color Elephant. So cute. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I am so excited to use this yarn. Oh my gosh. Especially, okay, I'm not gonna lie. This one and this one are my favorite. And these are my favorites. And then this is my favorite. And then these are all my favorites. Oh Lord, I'm going crazy. It's like really late right now, so I need to go to bed. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Adeline, thank you so much for doing this yarn swap with me. You are the sweetest. I'm so excited. And I can't wait to watch you unbox everything that I got. And everybody, go follow Adeline's YouTube channel down below. She's going to be linked, top link down there. She posts some cool YouTube stuff, and she's going to hopefully, I think, post a video of unboxing everything that I got her as well in this yarn swap. So, with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to follow all my social media, my Instagram, my Etsy. I created an Etsy shop, so if you guys are interested in ever purchasing something, maybe possibly you could follow my Etsy or favorite one of my recent makes or whatever. But yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna go, let you guys go. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.